compass. Today I am going to talk with Maya on the topic sky, and also I have a few questions for Maya, and Maya will give me the answers. So let's start.
Hey, hey.
Verification. Hello Maya. Hello Maya.
Hello, Sydney. Gotcha. Sydney,
So
what's
Maya,
on your mind today?
so
Yeah.
my so my first question is what is the sky?
Okay. A bit of a tangled start there, but uh, I'm gonna take your time. I'll be here.
Okay, so my question is that what is the sky?
Right. Back to the sky. Okay, sit. Well, scientifically speaking, the sky is essentially a region of the atmosphere. Ready when you are. What's next?
Okay, so my next question is that why does the sky look like blue during the day?
Okay, good question. It usually looks blue during the day because of something called Rayleigh scattering. Basically, sunlight hits the Earth's atmosphere and the blue light gets scattered more than other colors, so that's what we see. But it doesn't look blue, does it? What about
Okay.
sunsets?
So my next question is that why does the sky change colors at sunrise and sunset?
Ooh, that's a really good question. At sunrise and sunset, the sunlight has to go through more of the atmosphere to reach that extra distance, means even more of the blue light gets scattered away, leaving the longer wavelength colors like orange and yellow to be more visible. So it's still scattering, just different colors, making it through. Does that make sense?
Okay, so my next question is is the sky the same everywhere on Earth?
That's a smart way to put it. Yeah, the sky is visible from pretty much everywhere on Earth. However, how it looks varies depending on where you are in the conditions. Like at the South Pole, the sky looks different than it does near the equator.
Okay.
And even
So my next question is
within
that
the
what
same place,
is the
it can
sky
change
made of?
dramatically depending on the weather. Good question. Um, the sky isn't made of thing. It's made up of gases. Mostly things like argon, carbon dioxide, and even water. Basically, it's a whole mix of stuff.
Okay. So my next
Go for it.
okay. My
And
next question is that where does the sky begin?
okay, does the sky begin? That's a really interesting one. It doesn't really have a clear beginning, like a wall or a line. It gradually fades into space. The atmosphere gets thinner. You're welcome. Glad I could help. Really thoughtful question about the
So
sky. Anything else?
नहीं मैंने कर दी. Okay, so my next is that it can be tell the sky why or why not.
Hmm, a little tricky to follow there, but I think you're asking if can there be data. You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, my next question is that why does sky look different at night?
Ah, ocean. The sky looks different at night because the sun isn't shining on that part of the earth anymore. With direct sunlight, there's no scattering of light to make it blue. Instead, we see the darkness of space. What we see at night are
Okay.
mostly distant stars, planets, and other celestial objects. And sometimes a
Okay,
true
so
light
my
from
next
the
question is
moon.
the next question
The northern.
is that what causes the sky dark at night?
Okay, so what causes the sky to get dark at night? It's the Earth. As the Earth spins, your part of the world turns. When you're turned away from the sun, it's nighttime, and that's why the sky appears dark. It's not that the sky. I'm sorry, quite following. What checker are you
Okay,
referring to? Did I say something that didn't make sense?
my
Perhaps
next
I
question is
mispronounced a
that
word.
stars appear in the night sky.
Okay. Just let me talk about. That's a really good one. During the day, the brightness of the sun overwhelms the light from the stars, making them invisible. But
Okay, so my next question is that what is the sun's role in the sky?
no worries. As for the sun's role, the sun is the sky. It's the.
Okay, so my next that what does the moon change its shape?
Okay, so what does the moon change? You're talking about the phases. The moon seems to change shape, but it actually changing shape. It's how much of the sunlit side of the moon we can see from Earth. As the moon orbits Earth, different amounts of the middle up, creating those phases: new moon, crescent moon, quarter moon, gibbous moon, and
Okay, so my next that what are clouds?
you mean what about?
Yes. My question is that what are clouds?
Ah, okay, you got me. A little. I appreciate it. So about clouds. What about them are you wondering about?
That how are clouds formed?
Okay, so how are clouds formed? It's all about water. The sun heats up the earth, and that causes water to turn into a gas called water vapor, rises into the atmosphere, and as it rises, it cools. When it cools, the water vapor condenses, turns back tiny water droplets.
Okay, so my next question is clouds have different shapes and colors.
Solution again, haha. Okay, so why do clouds have different shapes and colors? Two few things. The shape depends on how the cloud is formed. Things like temperature play a big role. As for clouds, usually they appear white. Sometimes, if they're really thick, they can look gray or even dark. Sunset, they can turn all sorts of amazing colors, like pink and orange. Pretty cool, huh?
Next question is that what causes rains to fall from the sky?
No problem either way. Okay, so the world causing rain. I think you're getting at how. Now that's
Okay. So my next question is how does snow come from the sky?
okay. You want to know how snow forms? Well, it's similar to how rain forms, but it starts crystals way up high in the atmosphere where it's really cold. Hello to you too. Is everything all right? You seem to mid
Yes.
question and said,
Question.
hello.
My next is that what is a rainbow? How is it formed?
Ah, a rainbow. A great question. Rainbows are formed when light and rain combine in a really specific way. The sunlight enters a raindrop and then it's bent or
Okay. So my
refracted
next
as it passes through the water.
okay. So my next question is that what is lightning and thunder?
Okay, we've got a couple of things going on there, but I think you're asking about lightning, right? What is lightning intended? Lightning isn't really intended for anything. It's a natural electric happens during thunderstorms. Basically, when there's a buildup of electrical
My next
charges
question is
in
that
the
what is
clouds,
wind and
lightning
how is it connected
is
to
the way that
the
those
sky?
charges. Mm, that's a little cryptic. When and how is it connected to that? Can you be clear? Take your time. Rush it all. I'm here whenever you're ready to continue.
Yes, my question is that what is wind connected to the sky?
Good. So, what is green and is it connected to the sky?
Yes.
Well, green, as in the color, isn't something we usually see directly in the sky like blue, but it in some. For example, sometimes during thunderstorms, you might see a greenish hue in the clouds because the way the light scatters through the water droplets and hail. It's pretty rare,
Okay. So
but
so my
it's
next question.
spectacular.
Okay.
Ready?
So my next
When you
question is that what is the atmosphere?
okay, do well a lot at once. Sounds a little. It seems like you are having trouble focusing or framing your thoughts.
No, my question
I'm doing all
is
right.
that what is the
Trying to
atmosphere?
focus. What is Go ahead and finish your question. I'm listening.
My question is what is the atmosphere?
Okay, question. The atmosphere is the layer of gas in Earth. It's basically what.
So question is that how does the atmosphere protect Earth?
You seem it's and the atmosphere. Earth. It does a whole lot. First, it acts blocking a lot of
My
the
next
harmful
question
radiation from the
is
sun.
that
It also keeps the temperature
my next question
enough for
is
life.
that birds fly in the sky.
Solution again. I got it. You mean question. Okay. It's pretty amazing. We the air flap their wings, which creates essentially an upward force. The shape of their wings helps with this. And for aerodynamics, they also use current
Okay.
to help glide
My next question is that what
and
is air
soar.
pressure?
I do you think so?
Is air pressure? Okay, so my next question is
Is what?
and how is it related to the sky?
Finish your thought, and I'll do the answer. Okay, good question. The weight of above a certain point in space. That
Okay,
column has
so
weight,
my next question
and that weight
is that what causes storms in the
solution again, but I think you mean question. No worries at all.
my next question is that what are planets
It
and can we see them in
happens. We can
the
keep going.
sky?
Uh, okay. Planets are, are large celestial orbit a star, like our sun. And yes, you
Okay, so
absolutely.
my next question
Uh,
is that what
all right.
are
They met.
constellations?
Okay.
Are
Great
constellations?
question. Constellations are stars, the night knows patterns. Big Bear, and though the stars appear close together, they're actually incredibly far apart. We just see them grouped in those shapes from our perspective on Earth. Can you clarify what you mean
Next
by directed
question
by the
is
star type?
that why are twinkle in the sky?
Are you? Is there anything I can help you with? Okay. It's like you're pausing or unsure of what to ask next. I'm here whenever you're ready. Won't rush you.
Okay, so my next question is that what is space and how is it different from the sky?
Okay, a good question. Space and the sky are related, but the same thing. The sky is part of that atmosphere that we can see from Earth. It's the layer of gases surrounding, and it includes things like clouds and the sun. Space, on the other hand, is everything beyond that atmosphere. It's vast empty area where planets
सोने का नशा ही है और नशा है सोना खरीदने का उसको हम दे देंगे प्राइस पे ले लेगा मार्केट प्राइस okay so my next question is that where does the ends and space begin वैसे वो ये है कि उसने अपनी जो लीक और
Okay, where is the sky and where is space? The sky is right above us, the part of the atmosphere we see and experience every day. Begins right at the surface. Alma? Okay,
my next
I'm
question
ready.
that how do satellites moved in the sky
That's a really good one. Satellites move in the sky to a combination of gravity and speed. They orbit Earth, also
so
falling towards Earth
my
because of gravity.
next question is that
The key is they're moving so fast.
that